Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you lots of beautiful skirt outfit ideas and with the blouse out ideas. These are the basically pencil skirts outfit ideas for girls. You can wear these dresses as a work outfit, and also you can wear these dresses as a party wear, casual wear. Different ideas are shared in this one video. Hope so you will enjoy it and like these ideas. So friends, if you like these ideas, then hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. And if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of beautiful ideas related to girls fashion, like nail art designs related to outfit. I've shared casual wear, formal wear, office wear, and also party wear and occasional like wedding outfit ideas are shared. And also I've shared footwear. In footwear I've shared party shoe, leather office wear, sandals and shoe ideas. Hope so you will enjoy those ideas as well. So friends, don't forget to visit and also tell me about today's video in the comment section. Hope so you enjoyed friend today's video. Now let me say to take care of yourself and your friends. Bye bye.